Hello everyone, this is our demonstration video of Creatachain launch platform running on our testnet. The purpose of this platform is to facilitate users to create their own blockchains. First, we need to sign up to create an account, and then we can explore the functionalities. I will create a demo account with this demo email that I have made for this demonstration. After adding the credentials, we will see the next procedure. Once we sign up successfully on the platform, we need to activate our email address. The system will send an email to verify it. Once it's signed up successfully, the activation link has been sent to our email. I'll go and check the email. Inside the inbox, we got an email from the Creatachain launch platform. I activate the email, and now the account has been verified successfully. So now it's time to log in. I'll sign in so that we can explore further. After the successful sign-in, we will be landed on our dashboard page. On the dashboard, we have two functionalities for now: Create Node and Help Center. Let's start with creating a node. The first thing to do is enter the network name, which will be our network name. I will use demo. Now, it is asking for the provider settings. Currently, our provider is Creatachain testnet, and our consensus algorithm is Augustium. The next step is something that needs to be taken into notice. We have to provide a chain ID, and I will use chain demo. Now for password. The password will be used to extract the zip file, and it'll also become your private key. After you import this chain configuration in some place, you may need to access your key or do the transaction through the CLI. Then, you will need to use this password. The password is what you see here. Click on Generate an Account. Make sure that you copy this mnemonic. For later, you may need to use your account or import it somewhere. So you need to copy this as well. The next thing is chain supply. How much should be the supply? It's up to you. You can increase it or decrease it. And the next is initial stake amount. How much you want to stake initially. I will stick with this amount for now. Next, I will click on Finish, and then my blockchain configuration is ready. After I save the file, my file will be downloaded automatically. Now, I have this file in the Downloads folder with the name of Demo Configuration that I have set in the network provider setting. So now I will click on Done, and our chain has been created. As you can see here, Manage Node is available now. In this screen, we can see how many nodes we have launched and at what time. Now, I want to see the overview. It'll show me the information of my node, name, chain ID, node size, and other things. If my configuration file is missing or deleted, I can download it from here again. So far, the node has been initiated successfully. The next step is to run this node on some machine. I'll move this configuration file to our test server. This demo configuration zip file will be moved to our test server. I enter the password, and the file has been moved through the SCP protocol. Now I'll try to unzip the file, the demo configuration.zip file. Since this file is encrypted, it asks me the password to decrypt it. I enter the password. Now this file has been decrypted. I use command creata d start and it'll start the node with our chain configuration. As you can see, the node is starting. Now it has started from the genesis height, that is 1. I want to check the keys that I have created, so I use command creata keys list. I have to enter the same password that I have entered at the time of generating the account. Then it shows me the account. Now, all the functions will be performed accordingly. So this is how to launch a node and how to run it. For running a node, basically I have Creata set up on this server initially. Then I have just unzipped the file and started our node. If I remove the configuration that is in this node and start the Creata node, it'll give me the error messages because it has no Genesis file. So what I'll do is unzip the same file that has demo configuration, and then I'll try to run the chain again. So yes, I want to replace this file, and yes, again to replace all the files. So it has made Creata folder. Our configuration has been pasted successfully. If I start the node, it'll start automatically and all the things will be working fine. So far, this is how you can create your own chain and how you can run it and how all things work. In Help Center, we try to put some information on how to run a node. You can check what is chain launch platform. Under how to launch a chain, there are steps to launch your chain. There is also how to manage a chain. The last section of how to configure and run a chain is what I have done so far. Move the configuration file onto the machine and run it on the machine. So, this is the demonstration of Creatachain launch platform. Here are the functionalities. The basic functionalities are create a node and manage a node. You can run it in anywhere on any server you want. The maximum number of nodes you can create for now is 5. You cannot exceed the maximum limit of creating a node. It is mentioned that a user can create only a maximum number of 5 networks. It's been how this platform works. I hope you will have a good understanding of this. Thank you so much.